I want to say something to you.
So say no. What are you thinking today before you today? Then you have never asked such a thing before saying something like this. Hey, what happened? Are you fine?
Yes, I am fine. I have something to say now, cannot bear more in the future. Maybe we should be getting away from the relationship. Leave me alone.
What are you saying? How can you do this with me? We both decided to stay together, so you cannot leave me like Riya.
Sorry, Snjeev. I have some work, I need to go. Goodbye.
What's wrong with you, Riya?
Don't touch me, okay?
Sorry.